I said, ooh, shock me like electric eel. Yeah. Baby girl, turn me on with your electric feel.
Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial for Valentine's Day. So let's get started. So first things first, I'm gonna apply my Nivea Matte Repair Lip Balm on my lips, of course, so that to moisturize it, like so. And I'm gonna apply this Mercier primer, yeah, on my face as well, and I'm just going to be blending it out with my fingers. So yeah, I actually forgot to turn the lights on, and I'm gonna take this BB cream from Maybelline, and I'm just going to be applying it on my face. And by the way, I'm gonna put all the products that I used down below because I cannot forget some of the products that I mentioned, that I used in this video. So yes. And I'm gonna take this Maybelline Concealer, and I'm just going to be concealing all my imperfections and other unnecessary stuff in my face, like so. And I'm just going to be blending it all out with a sponge.
This is what the world is for. Making electricity. You can feel it in your mind, or you can do it all the time.
And I'm gonna take this pressed powder, loose powder, and I am just going to be applying it all over my face. And also my neck and my nose and everywhere around my face. And yeah, I am just going to be applying concealer and I'm applying the loose powder that I applied a while ago. So I'm taking this cream pen eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lids for the base of the makeup, for our eyeshadow. Next, I'm taking this purple sparkly or shiny eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be applying it on my crease. So yeah, that's basically how the eyeshadow looks. And I know it's just simple because I was too lazy to apply powder eyeshadow, so yeah, just do that. And I'm just going to be blending it all out with a brush. So next, I'm taking this Eyeshadow liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lids. No, not really, but yeah, I'm doing a winged eyeliner. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to speak today. What happened? So yeah.
Fucked and drank all night, acted all alright, had no need to fight. Tonight.
And I'm just curling my lashes. And I'm going to be applying this Falsies by DollyWink, and I'm just going to be curling my lashes again with the Falsies. And I'm applying this BareMinerals highlighter on my brow bone, on my inner corners, and everywhere. And by the way, I forgot to put black eyeshadow on my lower lash line. So yeah, this is going to be applying mascara all over my lashes, upper and lower lashes. Yeah, and I'm taking this Bobbi Brown contour cream, and I'm just going to be contouring my face, just so. And I'm just applying a light amount of cream to make it look lighter. And here I'm just highlighting my face using the same highlighter that we used a while ago. So I'm taking this blush and I'm just going to be applying on my cheeks and lipstick from MAC as well. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy and enjoy your Valentine's Day. Mwah.